Without commitment, you'll never start. But more importantly, without consistency, you'll never finish. It's not easy. If it were easy, there'd be no Denzel Washington. So, keep working, keep striving, never give up, fall down 7 times, get up 8.
The biggest enemy is you. People don't understand it's you against you. The only person that gets in your way is you. Nobody else. It's you.
If you stay in your comfort zone, that's where you will fail. You will fail in your comfort zone. Success is not a comfortable procedure.
Nearly got fucking everything!
Are you not happy, or you're only half happy, or?
Still to be happy about.
You're up too old.
Job's not finished. Job finished.
Tired is only in the mind. You tell yourself you're tired, you're gonna be tired. I don't get tired.
So yes, this is all about a motivational video. I hope you enjoyed it and will add discipline in your life and just keep going. Yes, keep going. Stay blessed and stay tuned. Good luck.